Hi friends, Allie here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take only a few yards of Bernat Blanket yarn and turn it into these super cute and easy flower face scrubbies. These each only use 4 yards of yarn and they work up in a matter of minutes. There are so many fun color combos you could try, and the blanket yarn makes these soft and comfortable on the face. So if you're looking for a last minute Mother's Day gift idea, give these a shot. If you're ready to get started, let's head over to our supply list and let's get making. For today's tutorial, you'll need Bernat Blanket yarn in 2 colors, an 8mm or L hook, scissors, and a yarn needle. We're going to begin by making a magic circle with color A, so we're going to wrap our yarn around our middle finger and our pointer finger twice, cross it over on that second go around, and then grab the second strand with your hook and pull it under the first and flip it up, and then we're going to secure that circle with a chain 1. For round 1, we are going to work 7 single crochets inside of the circle. So working around both strands of yarn, we're going to work 7 single crochets inside the circle. On the last single crochet, we are going to change colors, so we're going to drop our current color and pick up our color B and do our final pull through of the last single crochet with color B. And then we're done with color A. I'm going to just take the short tail end and pull it tight, and that's going to close up our circle. And now we're going to carry on with color B. So working right into that next stitch, so that'll be the first stitch of the previous round, we are going to work a slip stitch, then chain 2, and then we're going to double crochet into the same stitch that we're currently in. And then chain 2, and then we're going to slip stitch into the next stitch. And we're going to repeat that all the way around. So into the same stitch, we're going to chain 2 and double crochet, then chain 2 and slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 2, double crochet into the same stitch, chain 2, and slip stitch into the next stitch. And we're just going to continue to repeat that all the way around for round 2. After the last petal is worked, we're going to join to the very first stitch we worked of the round. So where we had worked that very first slip stitch, we're just going to join to that same stitch. And now we can cut off all of our yarn. Be sure to leave a few inches at the end so that we can weave in our ends. Since this is something that's going to get used and washed often, you are going to want to make sure you weave in your ends really well. And here is our Flower Facial Scrubby. This pattern is so quick and easy and a great way to use up any bits of Bernat Blanket yarn you may have lying around, and you can use any colors that you have. With Mother's Day coming soon, I think this is a great gift idea for any mom. Make a stack, tie them together with some string, maybe add a little note, and there you have a super quick but cute Mother's Day gift. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for following along. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can find this pattern and many more free patterns on my blog, whoshomemade.com. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget to tag me in your photos so I can see your finished turtle trunk creations. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.